How can we solve any quadratic equation by using factorization method? So let's start with the help of an example. If example says 6x squared minus 11x plus 4 equals to 0. So remember one thing, what you need to do, you have to multiply the constant number, this is a constant value, with the coefficient of this square, means that this variable of which is in a power of square. You have to multiply both of them. So let me multiply here. 6 times 4 is giving me 24. Okay. So I have to make factors of this 24. I have to find those factors जिनको add या subtract करने से I can break the middle term or I can get this value as a middle term. Means what? Means ऐसे दो factor आपको चाहिए जिसको add या subtract करें तो middle value का number बने. Right? So let me start finding the factors of number 24. Okay. 24. 1 times 24 is giving me what? If I'm adding both of them, I'll get 24, means 24 plus 1 is giving me 25, sorry. And 24 minus 1 will give me 23. So it's not a middle term because middle term is minus 11. It's not only 11. You need to consider the sign also, right? Okay. So I'll go with another factor and it can be 2 times 12. दोनों को ऐड करें ऐड करके क्या आंसर आया आपके पास इट इज 14 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद क्या आंसर आ रहा है आपके पास इफ यू वांट टू सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ ऑफ देम तो यू विल गेट 10 और इनफैक्ट -10 दोनों में से कुछ भी राइट अगर आप 12 -2 करते हो तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट 12 ऑल राइट so it means 10 or 14 is not your requirement so we'll go with next 3 times 8 is giving us 24 so okay let's add it 3 plus 8 is giving me 11 oh wow I will choose these factors because I know by adding both of them, I am getting 11. 11 तो मुझे मिल गया. But now the question is all about sign. What about this sign? How can I get this sign? Remember, middle term तब तक पूरी नहीं होगी जब तक उसका sign भी साथ ना हो. So definitely if I will take these two factors with minus sign, still I need to add both of them and I will get the answer -11. In the starting of your topic in adding integers, you must remember when you have two negative signs, you are adding them and you will keep the sign, same sign with the answer, right? So it means that if I will, instead of I can write minus 3x minus 8x because I need to get minus 11x back. So definitely I have to put minus 3x with it. X is a part of middle term. Minus 8x with it. Then I will get the answer minus 11x and this is how I can say I have break the middle term in these two factors. Okay. And rest, I will copy down the whole expression as it is because there is no other change. Okay. Now, as we are talking about the factorization method, so we have to break the middle term and we done it. Now you need to apply a grouping method. Grouping method means you have group of two terms and you need to find or you need to take a common of it. Right now you have two pairs, 6x squared minus 3x and minus 8x plus 4. तो अब ये दो टर्म्स हैं आपके पास दो ग्रुप्स हैं यू हैव टू मेक अ कॉमन ऑफ इट अब कॉमन not only of variable you have to find the common of a number also okay let's find the common of number also how 6 6 you can write its factor 2 times 3 yeah of course and here there isn't any other factor 1 times 3 clear. Okay. And what about x? There are two x. As you know, this x has a power of 2 and this x has a power of 1. So it means 1 x is common in both of the values. So I will write x. I will take x as a common factor. And now just observe what is common in number. just observe this 3 is common in both of them. Okay, so 1, 3, I will take it out. And what is left here? This 2 is not a common, so I will keep in the bracket. And 1x has been taken out, so I will write 1 left, which is left here, and minus this 3 I have taken out, but 1 is left here. So either you can write 1 or not, it's up to you. But as you know, this x is also taken out, so it means you have to mention 1 here. ले जी, ये close हो गया यहाँ पर, right? Okay, so now there is another group, and that group is a minus 8x plus 4. So first of all, I told you have to find the common of variable. There isn't any common of variable, so then you have to go with the common of number. So 2 times 4 is giving you 8, and you know there is 4. 1 times 4 is giving you 4. So now just observe what number is common here. Which number is common here? 4 is common in both of them. So you will take 4 out. As you know, there isn't any common in variables, so no need to write any variable. But remember one thing, you need to focus on that. We always need the whole this term same. जो इस टर्म में वैल्यू आ रही है वही इस ब्रैकेट में भी आनी चाहिए. So you just remember what is left here. There is left 2 and x wasn't a common. I'll write x here. And here you can observe plus is coming, but in this bracket there isn't any plus. हमें दोनों को same रखना है. So I will take minus as common also. So in that case, this minus 8, this minus 2 will become a plus 2, right? And this minus plus will become a minus, and 1 is left here, so I will write 1 here. Okay, now again, you can apply a group method because you can observe there is one group and there is another group. And you can identify this whole bracket is common in both of the terms. So I will write this 2x minus 1. I will take it out as a common in both of the values, right? And now what is left? 3x is left. I will write 3x here, and minus 4 is left. I will write minus 4 here. Okay, now it's pretty simple. Now we need to put both of the values, make them equals to 0, and just need to find the roots of this equation. So now 2x minus 1 the shift ho jayega, so it will become plus 1, and this 2 is multiplying with x, so I will divide it here. Okay, the first value of x is 1 upon 2. And same as I'll go with 3x, ये 4 वहां जाके plus का हो जाएगा, and then 3 यहाँ पे multiply हो रहा है, so I will definitely divide it to another side of the equation. So it means these are the final answers. Okay. I just want to solve this equation. I know this equation has been solved here, but I just want to solve again this expression, and why? Just look at me. I will solve this expression again. Is 6x squared minus 11x plus 4. Okay, what if I will exchange the numbers? What if I replace the positions? क्या इससे फर्क पड़ेगा अगर मैं a minus 8x पहले लगा दूं, ये जो मैंने middle term break किए, और minus 3x बाद में लगा दूं? So let's observe the change. So what will I do? As you know, it is the process is same. We have to multiply the constant value with the coefficient of this this variable whose power is 2. So I will multiply both of them. I will get 24. And after finding the variables, after finding the factors which are satisfying the middle term, so I will just take 3 times 8, and they are giving me 24. And obviously I need to be concerned to have the same sign. I need to focus on the sign also, so I will use minus with both values, so it will be minus 11. Okay, so we have done this working earlier, so I'm just going to tell you how, I'm just going to show you the impact of changing the position of middle term factors. So minus 8x I'm writing earlier, and then I will write minus 3x. And rest of the value, I'll keep it same. There will be no change. Okay, now it becomes one group and it becomes another group. So as I told you, you have to observe common in a variable also, and in a number also. Okay. So first I will observe in a variable. Yes, I know there is a power of 2, means there are two x are here and there is only one x is here. So I will take one x common. But what about the number? As per number, it is 2 times 3, 6, and here is 2 times 4 is 8. So obviously this 2 is a common same, so I'll take it out. Once I have taken out, so I will not write inside. I will only write those factors which are not common, which is 3. And here, this power is reduced to 1 because I have taken 1x out. ये मैंने बाहर ले चुकी हूँ. तो यहाँ पे 2x नहीं रह गया, अब single x रह गया. Okay. Now I'll take this minus sign as it is down. And what about this 8? Obviously, it is already broken down. The 2 is already outside. Now you have to take this 4 inside because it is a leftover factor. And x is already taken out. तो यहाँ पे x की कोई value नहीं आएगी. Okay. Now, move to the next. As you can just observe, we have to keep the all this bracket, जो भी हमारी ये bracket में value आएगी, हम उसको अगली bracket में जब भी हमारी factor बनने जा रहे होंगे, we have to keep it same. Okay, now I just observed there isn't any variable common and there isn't any number common. So means there is one. One will be outside because one is a factor जिसको multiply करने के बाद आपको same number मिल रहा है. But there is also one issue, and that issue is कि this sign is the sign of plus. और अगर मैं यहाँ पे प्लस ही अगर मैं यहाँ पे बाहर के साइड पर प्लस ले लेती हूँ तो डेफिनेटली issue is this कि there will be no change in the sign. But as you know, minus ये जो 3x है ये प्लस का है और ये जो 4 है ये माइनस का है. बट यहाँ पे उल्टा है, यहाँ पे 3x माइनस का है और 4 प्लस का है. To change the sign, I have to multiply with the minus sign. Means कि I have to take minus as a common. तो उससे क्या होगा, जब मैं ये minus multiply करूंगी और bracket को open करूंगी तो I will get the same result back. लेकिन अभी के लिए मुझे ये वाली bracket same मिल जाएगी. So then I will multiply. As I have taken a minus sign common, so this plus sign will be converted into a minus sign, and that will be minus 4 equals to 0. So now again, we need to observe one thing, and that is I have to take a common again. What? Can you observe? This bracket is common in both terms. Yes. So I will write this bracket one time and rest I will close into another bracket. 2x and this minus 1. I will write here this minus 1. Now you can just observe कि बस फर्क क्या हुआ कि 3x minus 4 मेरा ये बाद की ब्रैकेट में आया था और 2x minus 1 दोनों ब्रैकेट के सॉल्यूशंस मेरे पास सेम आ रहे हैं. तो इट मींस कि I will get the same answers too. Now again I will just put them equals to 0 to both of the values to get the answer of x. So it will be 1 over 2 and here it will be 3x 4 will be I'm moving to another side with its inverse relation, and now 4 upon 3 will be the answer. So there is no any change. You just need to be conscious and you need to be focused on how to calculate or find the factors. That step is really important. ये जो हमने एक स्टेप यहाँ पर किया, यहाँ पे ये वाला स्टेप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके लिए आपको बेसिक नॉलेज में सिंपल फैक्टर्स बनाने आने चाहिए. So I hope this will be easy for you now.